Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have the Crompton Greaves Dec Air 90s ceiling fan, 48 inches, the white color. You can see the high breeze, that is the Dec Air motor. The long canopies, this is early 90s, so it has long canopies. The late 90s one have the Crompton high speed type design canopies. Shackle is unoriginal, down rod is original. Actually, this original shackle is with me. I have kept it somewhere. This is not the original shackle. Down rod is original, golden down rod. Okay, so let me take this up, and you can see this Crompton Greaves Bombay India Dec Air fan, registered design number 151441. And you can see the other specifications also. This is the label, and this label was like later in the late 90s printed in the normal paper one. This is like some plastic type paper, so quite a good one, vintage one. And the blade set I have to use it. This is the blade set. Just a second. This is the blade set. The shanks are like paint is gone. You can see, and how it was like, you can see nut nut and bolt here. You can open this nut and bolt and get rid of the shank and the deco. So the shank is itself the deco. So if you think to remove the decos, then you won't be able to install the blade. So 4 blades. It is a 4-blade fan. You can see all are like bad condition. Paint is completely gone. This will need a restoration. It will soon come. We'll soon be doing with the restoration also. So without much talking, let me take the lower canopy up. So you can see, this is the fan. This is not the original capacitor. Original capacitor is with me. It was the hand logo Tepcon capacitor, original capacitor, and the owner ad purchase is from OLX. Owner did not even take the lower canopy up, never, because it was too dirty. I will attach a pic if possible. I will just check. You can see the here it is. Hand logo is also there. Let me show you. You can see this is the hand logo of the era. This is not the original capacitor, as I said. Wiring is done quite properly, and all winding is original, as you know. Also, this bolt is not original. Later, I had changed it, and there was no safety screw given with the fan. I think the electrician who installed it in 90s did not put the safety screw. So the safety screw was the only thing that was not there with this fan. Rest everything was original. Now let me show you the original capacitor, and let me now open these 3 screws and show you the winding. I won't remove this all because I've put it intact. So guys, actually I don't have the capacitor right now with me. I'm not getting it where I kept it. So I'll be putting a picture. Have the picture of the capacitor, and you can see that you need the specifications. Hand logo is printed, Tepcon is written. So I've opened the 3 screws of the motor body. Now let me remove this. So this is you can see really hard to open. We need a screwdriver. So here is the lower cover. You can see the root. It is awesome. The bearings are still good, so no need to change them. And while restoration also, I will mention that no bearings will be changed. Original bearings are working good, then why to change the original bearings? And this is the winding. This, you can see, this is very thin, really very thin. Astonished. And as you can see, this is the winding. This is the winding of the fan. So it is so you can see this is a 16-pole motor. 16 plus 16 pole motor. So quite a good one. And now also in the present case also it is a 16 by 16 pole motor. So quite an awesome fan. The speed is also good. Now let me assemble the fan, the motor, the blades I'll install, and I will hang the fan on the terrace ceiling, and let me show the performance. So guys, as you can see, the Dec Air is installed on the terrace part. So it's looking quite good still, even though so much of condition is so bad. It's looking awesome actually. So let me start it. Good torque. It wobbles a bit because of blade. Awesome airflow. It's around 280 to 300 RPM, something like that only. airflow is quite awesome. Actually, you cannot hear the noise properly of the fan because the terrace is open. This is wobbling because the blade is not balanced. One of the blade, like two of the blades are like bent from some places. So quite an awesome fan as per the vintage. New Dec Air I couldn't buy because they're discontinued in my area. So old Dec Air is the only option. This will be restored very soon. And after restoration this will surely look awesome. So wait for the restoration. I hope you like the video. Put a like there on the like button, to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more notifications, and also comment in the comment section, and do share the video. Thanks for watching.